Locked On team are pleased to announce that your 2024 spring SMS and email have now been loaded into your CRM for you to send. If you go into the engine and go into your templates, you'll be able to search in the email Spring 2024 to see the template and edit this and the content by using the edit option and changing any wording you need. And you'll be able to go into your SMS section and type Spring 2024 to review the SMS, hit edit and change any text or context you need there and hit save. Once you've made the changes to the SMS and email, let's look at the perfect way to send this to your database. You'll click into your properties and you will remove the filter, and you will then go into your magnifying glass advanced find and use the property details. In the property details, you want to search the statuses for your pipelines, which is anyone who's a prospect, potential, an appraisal, or someone who may have come off the market. Once you have these 4 statuses selected, you can hit apply filter. This will then give you a found set of properties in your area in the pipeline. You'll then select send, SMS, and you will then see how many people have a valid mobile number that you can communicate with. In the template option, search for your Spring 2024 SMS. Hit update preview to see the SMS before you send it. When choosing to send, you can choose one user to send all of the SMSs from, or you can use the dynamic send as and use the assigned agent, which means the SMS will come from the agent who is assigned to that property record. This is the best and safest option. You then confirm how many people it's going to, and you'll hit the send SMS option. If you would like to schedule this in to be sent later, you can use the send later option, pick a date in the future, change the time to 12 p.m. or whatever time you would like, and then hit send SMS, and it will not send till that time and date. To help with the breakthrough of the SMS, we will also send an email at the same time. You'll go into your magnifying glass, property details, and you will do the same search for the same statuses. Once you have the list of all of the properties in your area, you'll hit send email. You'll follow the same steps by going into template, type Spring, select the 2024 email. When it loads the preview and you're happy with it, you can choose to send it all from one particular user and their email. Again, the safest option is the assigned agent. You can send now or pick a date to send later in time. And when you're ready to send, you will confirm the number of emails you have, which is the number at the top, and you'll then hit send and your email will start to be delivered to your potential sellers.